brand new technology at the time, the pilot cost, same thing. So what they achieved is like an ultimate technology, rapidly scaled it out to a single engine aircraft, and it was redesigned by
100 horsepower each. Obviously coming downhill with the wind behind, it goes a little bit quicker. Just think about it, 96 years ago, this aircraft was the first to fly from America to Australia. Had a crew of 4, and one of the innovations
across the earth and reaches that position. Now, Smithy, he wasn't completely insane. He did do a lot of preparation to get this aircraft ready. It was months and months in California testing the aircraft, testing its endurance, the systems, the engines. He was loading up with a lot of safety gear and a lot of fuel.
This aircraft is with modern airworthiness standards, but it is faithful to the original construction.
One interesting thing when you think about flying an aircraft in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, old Big Blue, and then trying to find an island of Fiji, which is only a couple of 100 kilometres across, that's quite hard. If you're a degree or two off in your tracking, you're not going to hit Fiji, you're not going to hit any land, and you're quickly going to become a submarine.
After 1,000 kilometres, if you start off with that 1 degree, you are going to miss by a long, long way. And he had to go through some horrendous tropical storms there because you've got what they call the intertropic convergence zone between the northern and the southern hemisphere weather patterns, and that is a zone of really bad weather from the water to 60-odd thousand feet.
Having flown through in the C-130, it's quite a emotional experience at times. A bit of a shout out now to the rest of the crew. So I've mentioned Sir Charles Kingston Smith as the